Hi guys, this is Arjita. Welcome to this beautiful fall themed video project, and I have used the gorgeous VersaColor ink pads for this project today, and I just love the selection of the colors VersaColor offers, and the texture is just so chalky and opaque and beautiful. So basically I can't compare this ink with any others, and I just loved working with them. So I used a combination of brick reds and yellow tones to create this beautiful fall themed card, and all I'm doing here is stamping. The stamp set is by Gina K Designs, and I love it because it's so bold, and VersaColor ink pads just make it look even more pretty. So here are the cubes, and I'm using them to create my own pattern paper, and then I will finish the card with a sentiment. So I am just changing the direction of the stamp every time, and that creates a beautiful continuation and pattern paper kind look. So I also took a few other leaves from other stamp sets, and to add some more interest and variation. This is absolutely fun. You can do it with other combinations. Adding an olive green kind of a shade will be very interesting as well, and I will try to do it and maybe share it with you very soon. So the color pigmentation and the opacity is absolutely phenomenal. So finally I decided to add a brighter red and this delicate leaf, which completes the look of the card, and you can absolutely mix a lot of leaves and such fall themed elements from your stamp collection and create these beautiful quick cards for the season. For the next one, I placed my cardstock on the mini Misti and used a beautiful hand-lettered stamp set, and I wanted to create a ombre rainbow kind of a effect using the VersaColor ink pads. So Misti is perfect when you want to do something like this, and you can also call this technique multi-color stamping technique, and that's what I'm doing here. I'm laying all my colors from light to dark on this beautiful stamp, and I'm trying to blend them a bit so that everything looks seamless and pretty. So I did it twice, and it was absolutely beautiful and crisp. So to lay this beautiful hand-lettered sentiment, I created my own background paper, and for that I just rubbed the small little ink cubes onto a white paper and created these rough stripes. So this is absolutely easy, and you don't contaminate your ink pads, and it's only if you go from light to dark. So I loved these two cards, and I hope you did it too. And if you want to create these, all the supplies are listed in this video and on my blog post. So thank you so much for stopping by, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and let us know how do you feel about us. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.